Alright, I'm back with episode 2. Alright, you know what? We're in episode 2. Let's just and let's get our gear ready. We will need this. Okay, wait. I'm gonna go outside. What is it? Okay. So I think we need the helicopter. Okay, I think we need a pursuit with the helicopter. Okay, I'll see you once we're in the air. Gosh. Whoa! Helicopter has eyes on the suspect. Okay, they're continuing. How did they continue this? How did they very continue this? Okay. I think, wait, accidentally. Okay, here we are. Whoa! Helicopter has eyes on the real suspect now. Accidentally followed the wrong person. That's good. Okay, let's return back to base because I think I'm a bit tired of flying now. Let's go very slow on the helipad. Let's land safe on the helipad. Alright, I'm back. Okay, I think we need to do another pursuit. Do you think so? Yeah, I'll see you once we're in the air. Just a. Whoa, alright. Here we are. We're back in the air. Oh yeah. think so. Now, we're gonna patrol this area. Let's come. Last time was the storm. I think I did okay. We're just patrolling. Alright, I think my time limit is done, so let's go back to the helipad. I think I see the helipad. Let's increase our altitude. I think we need this to not be that. Let's go slow. Back to the helipad. Okay, we're back. Okay, it doesn't mean very much though. So I will see you once again. I'll see you once again when we're in the air. Whoa, it's a bit bumpy. Let's increase our speed. Altitude. Looks like maybe higher. Think this is this great altitude? Let me find out. Yep. Search the city where they need support. Wait, I see it. It's that car over there. I think it's that car over there. No, it's this person. Ooh, let's go back to the helipad because that suspect left the game. Alright, let's return back to the helipad. Alright, we need to do it. Let's come up here. Oh, I see actually think here we are. She has none idea. That person doesn't have any idea. Really much though. Or in the carpet. Okay, let's return back to the alley pad. I like that's enough, I guess that's enough. Let's increase our speed and speed. What the? Goodbye, helicopter. That was the worst. That was worse. Late enough.